What's up YouTube? Dave the Phone Guy back with another video, and today I have these. The Pamu Slide Mini. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna unbox them. I'm gonna give you my initial thoughts, my impressions. We're gonna do a mic test, throw some ambient noise in the background so you guys know how they sound. So let's do the thing that we do. Let's get started. Alright guys, let's pop this box open. So these have Qualcomm's aptX codec. They don't want to come out. Bang. This is a nice box. Feels good. Pamu Slide Mini right on the box right there. Alright. Kind of like that presentation, gives it that smoked look. I like that. It's kind of cool. It's different. For first use, please put the earphones into the seat and fully charge the case. Take the left and right earphones from the charging case and open Bluetooth search. Pamu Slide Mini, click to connect. Yeah. All right, so you got the case. Feels very plasticky. All right, let's go ahead and drop these in. Which one is this? This is the right one. Bang. Bang. All right, we got that. Pull the plastic. Let's see what else is in the box. Making me dig a little. USB-C. Got a nice little carrying bag. Nice little touch there. So there's two different types of tips from what I'm seeing here. There's a small, medium, and large, and then a small plus, medium plus, large plus. And I guess the difference is the others are going to give you a slightly tighter seal, which is supposed to give you a more bass sounding signature in the sound. All right guys, so let's get these paired up, and I want to let you know at the time of recording this, these are available on the manufacturer's website for like 65 bucks. So I'm gonna go into my Bluetooth settings. Yes, this is the new OnePlus 8 Pro that I'm using here. Day 2 with this phone. I'm liking it. All right, we got the top popped open. That should put us in pairing mode. Immediately I see the Pamu Slide Mini. Bang. Paired. Done. I like it. That was super easy. All right guys, so let's go ahead and open up YouTube Music. I'm gonna go to the top 100, hit play, and I'm gonna let you know how they sound. So let's do some things. I'm gonna use the default earbuds to start with here. They're a little loose. I'm gonna leave them. Need a little break. Here we go. All right guys, so I guess these had enough juice for me to pair it up, but they definitely don't have enough juice for me to play any music or get going. So I'm gonna pause the video right here for you. It's gonna be a blink of an eye. So with that said, I'll be right back. Whew. All right, I am back. Got them in my ear. I am paired up. Now it's time. Now the time is now. Now it's the time to get things going. Let's hear how they sound. I could already tell though, these tips, no bueno. Let's see. Start it up. Ooh, I'm gonna have to adjust these. Okay. Ooh, nice bass. Okay. All right, let's pause it. Let's swap these out real fast. Let's do some justice to the headphones. Let's get the right impression. I'm going with the large size here because I want a good seal. So I just put the largest tips in. The seal is still not very good, but the highs are good. I can hear everything. Bass is decent. I don't feel confident that they're gonna stay in my ears though, because I can feel them slowly moving around. Let's keep it going though. So I've watched some reviews on these. Let me take these out. I'm not a fan of how they feel. They're just moving around a lot. I've watched some reviews on these and a lot of people said that the bass was really strong. The highs were okay. I think it's the other way around. I think the highs are better than the bass with these headphones. For me, guys, they're just not cooperating with my ears. I don't like how they feel. They sound decent. And remember, everybody's ears are slightly different. So, you know, they may work better for you. I saw people in some videos running around, doing exercise, and they were staying in no problem. But I could definitely feel these were moving around. So, you know, like I said, everyone's ears are different and you're gonna react differently to them. But here's the cool thing about these. So you got USB Type-C, you got wireless charging. They have one of the latest Qualcomm chips in it. So they're supposed to be very, very low latency when watching videos or gaming. So that's my take on the Pamu Slide Minis. Nothing slide about it. I think the previous generation had a case that the top slid open and that's why it was called the Slide, but nothing slides about these. So it's kind of strange that they kept that name. The housing itself feels, I mean, it feels solid, right? The lid doesn't stay open on its own. The case feels a little plasticky. You know what I'm thinking when it comes to the sound. I already went over that. Let's do our mic test. Maybe it'll excel there. Yeah, let's check it out. So I'm gonna put the right and left one in.
All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Pamu Slide Minis. I'm gonna go ahead and start the ambient noise here momentarily in the background. Get it started, play. So now I have the ambient noise in the background. How does it sound? Are you still able to hear my voice clearly? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. We'll have a little discussion about it down there. Yeah, so let's pause that.
That's it, guys. I'm a little underwhelmed overall with these Pamu Slide Minis. They may fit some people a little bit better than they're fitting me, but that's it. That is all I have for you today. If you liked this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. Talk to you in the next one. Peace.